What is up, everyone? This is Rafe with Central Alps, the premier off-road customization shop in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Today here I have another Ram 1500 with an air ride conversion or air ride delete kit that we did. This customer came in and he wanted to speak to a shop or someone in the DFW area who is an expert in this line of work in terms of deleting air ride from these Ram 1500s that comes with the factory air ride suspension. He went to other places and he didn't get a really straight answer from them except for us. And he told me this is his 7th Ram truck and the first one that has an air ride, and he said he hates how it rides from factory. He doesn't like how it rides. It's a little rough around the edges and it's just something that's gonna prone to fail. You wanted that replaced. So what we did, we went with a Carli commuter lift kit, front and rear, and with the upper control arms and whatnot. And then we did the air ride conversion from, you know, your factory air ride from Ram. And then we did regular coil suspension. And then we programmed the ECU to take care of that dash light and whatnot. So all of that is fixed. If you have any questions for your Ram truck, for your air ride suspension, give us a call at 833-268-2577 and we would love to help you out. Thank you.